Okay, this is making this video as to sort of grant a request. Someone wanted me to review. They saw my review on Windows 7 beta and wanted me to post a review on Windows 7 the release candidate, which should be as close to what's actually going to hit the streets here in a couple of months once it goes retail. So here it is. I'm going to say right off the bat, I've had to change my video capture software. When I was using the beta, I was able to use AMCAP to record off my webcam. For some reason, AMCAP works. It'll capture video, but it won't capture audio from my microphone. I've run into the same problem also with the sound recorder that comes with Windows. The particular software I'm using now is called Debut Video Capture Software. It's freeware. You download it off the internet, and it captures my audio, and it seems to capture it pretty well. And also the program I'm going to use for the screen capture, it captures audio as well. So without further ado, I'll take you to the screen now. Okay, this is my Windows 7 screen. One difference from Vista, your gadgets or your widgets over here, they're not locked inside that Windows sidebar. As a matter of fact, the Windows sidebar doesn't even exist anymore. So these icons here, computer, your personal folders, network, they're not there by default in Windows 7. I added them back in because, well, I'm just sort of used to seeing those icons on my desktop. When I boot this thing up into Linux, I've got a similar, it's just something that I've gotten used to, and it's personal preference. You can hide them; they don't have to be there. The only icon that's on your desktop by default in Windows 7 is your recycle bin. It's got some neat Windows management features, which aren't terribly different from the release candidate or from the beta. It's going to take a minute for running a little. Graphics are slowing down because, of course, the recording is kind of taxing my video card here. I'm just opening up some windows to just show you some things. Like if I take with this Word document, this window, I can resize that window just by coming up here, clicking on the top of the window. I just pull it down, and that resizes it. Now if I take this, if I drag it over here to one side of the screen, it takes up half the screen. I take away from there, and I drag it up top, and it expands it again. Of course, that's something that was in the release candidate. Showed you my. Of course, it's got all. It's got that shifter thing that was there in Vista, which is kind of neat eye candy. But you've got window previewer. You've got over here your start orb. Now there's no classic start menu in Windows Vista, so in Windows 7 like there was in Windows Vista. So if you get a Windows 7, get used to your start menu being like this. You can't change it. Don't know if that's a good thing, a bad thing, or just a thing. But overall, this runs really well. Huge improvement over Vista. I have 2 gigs of RAM in this computer, and if you'll notice over here on my meter gadget, you know, I'm running video capture software. I've got a Word document open. I've got Skype open. You know, and I'm not even using half my RAM. CPU's running a little high, but that's just, you know, the nature of video capture. But I mean, that's incredible. Try, you can't run Vista on 2 gigs of RAM and still get the clear desktop effects and everything that I've got here. Yeah, it's slowed down a little bit, but that's just the nature of my video card. I've got just a very basic video card. So anyway, you know, if the retail version isn't too much different from this, I think Microsoft has got themselves a good operating system that that is a worthy successor to Windows XP. I think all of us who got used to Windows XP and were extremely disgruntled and unhappy with Vista will be very, very happy with this operating system. Thanks for watching.